Fernando de Cruz is onto something special lapha ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I said it straight after I told Toyota Cup ukuthi he plays positive football, he believes in young players, and he seems like a coach oyazi into ayenzayo. The only thing that was happening is that it seemed as though ama-player wakhe yiwo lawa amletha down, ama-player wakhe are not living up to the standard and the expectation. Mara ukuthi mase kufika uphilo uyambona ukuthi uza nge-energy entsha, uyambona ukuthi him giving Luke Batman more game time uza nge-energy entsha, starting Mfundo Vilakazi energy iba yintsha lapha yana phambili. It's just a few mistakes here and there, makangalungisa lapho nalapho izinto zakhe zizohlangana. However, the biggest talking point ku-Kaizer Chiefs is Umdu Shabalala noMfundo Vilakazi. Umdu Shabalala noMfundo Vilakazi are the two players that are going to hold back Kaizer Chiefs. And the reason I'm saying that is because Labafana Laba, it seems as though they believe more in individual brilliance as opposed to a collective effort. Your team go to siwine. Bafunuk shayina bodwa, bafunuk bonakala bodwa. They've gotten used to ama fans ababaza bona kumenyezwa makama wabo njalo. So much that now when they have to play Namanyama team, Namanyama player and play as a team, they struggle to do that. I don't understand why Umdu Shabalala bekanga paso lang ilihlipili makmele kutampase. And it's not just game. If you looked at that game, Golden Arrows, there were moments where Ulangelihle Pili was in a better position to receive the ball from Yena Umdu, but Umdu would opt to turn ayenze izinto noma pasa amanyama player. It's normal ukuthi makufika player Lisha as the star player of the team uthuke ukuthi no ngathi pressure sekhona, but I'm telling you Umdu Shabalala noMfundo Vilakazi are worried that lo mfana lo Ulangelihle Pili is going to be the face of Kaizer Chiefs. If Ulangelihle Pili has a good game this Saturday against Mamelodi Sundowns, the conversation about who's the best player with Chiefs is over. Ulangelihle Pili is going to be given his flowers and is going to be given ishine yakhe. Think about it. Gufika a player much younger than Umdu, has more energy, signed ngemali enkulu, igama lakhe libe semlomeni wethu sonke utrendile ku social media, leskathi Kaizer Chiefs imfuna. Makafika lo mfana lona, he plays better than you, he's more creative on the ball, umuntu oneplan ukuhlula wena, he makes better runs, and umuntu owaziyo ukuthi makangenile gaming i-team yavuseleleka energy yama player iyavuka iyaphezulu. Then it makes sense why as Umdu Shabalala you'd feel that pressure. However, it's nice to see Kaizer Chiefs winner 2 games kulandelelana in the league. A lot of people were thinking ukuthi bazodliwa kuSkhukhune United, but awusethi kaze bafethu sazifikela lapha ya. Mina ngishilo nayizola, I was actually expecting them to draw. Umdu Shabalala ukorile. Yes, now a lot of people are coming ukuthi awuthini manje Umdu Shabalala ukorile. I still maintain I don't think Umdu Shabalala is Kaizer Chiefs material. I don't think he'll ever be Kaizer Chiefs material. I don't even understand how he made it this far ne Kaizer Chiefs, because usually a team enkulu masik promotile we give you 2 seasons. If you don't live up to the standards in 2 seasons, sikthumele move or siyagrelease. I don't know how he made it this far, and it's good to see that Kaizer Chiefs are able to win, create chances and score goals without him. This will humble him. Izombonisa ukuthi you are not bigger than the team, you are not the face of the team, when all you need to do is just earn your place a team in maqeda lapho ujoyina amajita nawakora. Mfundo Vilakazi and Umdu Shabalala will delay Kaizer Chiefs this season if abalungisi number 1 arrogance, abalungisi lento leyo ukuthi bona they play for social media, badlalela club bafuna ukuthi kube yiwo ama player abonakalayo. Yes, they are friends, we know bana ma combination abawaziyo boy2, but allow uPhili to settle in and allow uPhili ukuthi naye azibonakalise. Congratulations to Ulangelihle Pili, the way afike ngakhona ku Kaizer Chiefs, the way azibonakalise ngakhona ku Chiefs. It was so exciting to see him agibela ibholo enza izinto zakhe, team say 2-0 up. This is the Kaizer Chiefs that we know. Ama player adlala uPhili udlala le bhola leli le Chiefs esilaziye, le bhola leli lama player we Chiefs aboskarango besoku ukuthi maswina, we entertain the crowd, but we do it once we are leading. So shout out uyayazi into ayenzayo. Mfundo Vilakazi noMdu Shabalala in trouble if abavulanga kahle amehlo, because uvele buys on the bench. The moment uvele buy na angena assume indawo yakhe maqeda lapho sekashisa, umfundo noMdu bazohlezi base benchini. Bazohlezi base benchini, and Umdu Shabalala Umfundo Vilakazi is still not ready. Understand izomthatha isikhathi esingakanani lo mfana ukuthi abe ready azibonakalise and rise to the occasion and be the player that the fans expect him to be. Season in season out sizoloke sithi how years. The only thing that Kaizer Chiefs now needs to do is sign a player ozodlala no Mabuye lapha, or otherwise cut a double pivot, allow Mabuye to be the defensive midfield, and then mtholela ma number 8 ayi2 la or ma number 10 ayi2. You can play Luke Batman lana phambi kwakhe, play nayo uMdu Shabalala, give him a chance, and then Langelihle Phili Mfundo Vilakazi, and then second half uthatha uPhili umfaka la uyamdonsa uShabalala maqeda lapho ufaka uVele Bhayi, keep your attack energized, keep the young players on the field, kube yibo abalanda abantu, and then sign another striker ukuthi uzokwazi ukucompete no Igodara, compete futhi no Flavio da Silva, because ukhanyisa Mayo uphumile akikho indaba yakhe, he's been out for a very long time. And then sibonile Orlando Pirates idlalile izolo, they played against AmaZulu FC, they played to a 1-1 draw. What a poor performance by Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates were so poor. Ayikho into bebayenza lapha izolo. Nyawuza abantu abaningi bathi they created chances. What chances? Because bahlulekile ukukora. You can't tell me you created a chance ma ungakoranga. Ma create a chance, you need to take that chance and score. Yanela Mbuthuma was off form. Ayikho into he's never been on form. Like ngisebenzisa igama lo wrong. I'm wrong mangithi was on form because he's never been on form. Yanela Mbuthuma was lost. He was confused. Bekamesa ama chance amaningi. He was just useless lapha phambili Yanela Mbuthuma, and I don't understand why coach Owadu continues to play him nanoma asbonela bafethu not ukumdelela not ukumnyatsa. Yanela Mbuthuma is not Orlando Pirates material, and it's high time that the management accepts leyo nto leyo. Coach Abdeslam Owadu just ubulawa arrogance. He wants to prove a point to us the fans ukuthi I'm the coach and I know better. Unfortunately coach, at this point it seems as though Tina we see the game better than you. There's no way a coach umuntu osuka kuyodlala Europe, umuntu oqeda ukuwina iligi uwina i-treble ne Orlando Pirates, you want to defend it and you still playing Yanela Mbuthuma for what? For what? Why are you still playing Yanela Mbuthuma? The only thing that needs to happen, Mbuthuma kwa yena self mela sicelele ku coach ukuthi coach, can I not play next game? Can I be on the bench for the next 3 games? I know you believe in me, you trust ukuthi I'm that guy that can make it happen for you. Unfortunately I will not make it happen. Ahambe ayohlala phansi. When a player does well ku Richards Bay, it doesn't always mean that he will do well at a big team like Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs or Mamelodi Sundowns. Now senya understand why kwesinye isikhathi ama team afana nabo Mamelodi Sundowns bangathanda ukuthengisa ama player. When you sell your most important player, sometimes it becomes difficult for you to replace that player, which is now Orlando Pirates is going through lento leyo. They sold the most important player Orlando Pirates last season, uLebuhile Mfokeng. Now the biggest challenge is replacing Mfokeng. Orlando Pirates since Mfokeng angekho, ama player don't seem motivated, they don't seem like bafuna ukudlala, akuna creativity, bathwala ama chance bakora nale goal la kaTshepo Muremi, you could see ukuthi kahle kahle lapha bese kagejile. So I don't understand what's happening lapha. Unfortunately mapaka it's sad to admit, but the Kaizer Chiefs are better than Orlando Pirates this season. They have a better structure than the Pirates in terms of how they play. Tactically they are making the better choices than the Orlando Pirates. When it comes to ama substitution, coach Fernando de Cruz substitute ngesikhathi esiride makumele ukuthi apa substitute as opposed to Loweto. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is confused. Owadu is so confused. Kwesinye isikhathi uzuzibuzisa ukuthi yini lento le oyenzayo, akakwazi ukusubstitute ucoach Owadu. Kanti na this season bafethu sizokhala ngokuthi Orlando Pirates ayina bench. Every season we are complaining ukuthi Orlando Pirates doesn't have a bench, they don't have impact players. You look at la bench labo lelana izolo, other than Ozonapolis, omuphi omunye umuntu bekangangena abaphi energy lapha phambili, omuphi omunye umuntu bekangangena abe effective and abe creative coming off the bench for Orlando Pirates bekangekho. Again, I don't understand why they went and signed so many central midfielders instead of investing in a creative playmaker. You can't lose one player and replace him with 5 players. On top of that, replace that one player, replace ngama player adlala position yakhe, replace ngama player adlala emuva kwakhe. Tito's the only creative guy Orlando Pirates. When Tito gets injured or Tito doesn't perform, ubani ongena replace uTito maqeda lapha enza izinto zenzeke. And of course uTito, it's going to be a very long season for him. You can't tell me you expect uTito to perform kahle ku MTN 8 league, Carling Knockout, Nedbank Cup na ku CAF Champions League. All 5 of these tournaments ungitshela ukuthi uTito ayi-1 umuntu ozodependa kuye, uyozona offer creativity, uyozenza izinto zenzeke. That's impossible. That's impossible. Not even Mfokeng can play these 5 competitions. Bese kubo uyoyenza izinto zenzeke ayi-1. You need players that can come off the bench and help uTito. You need players that can come off the bench and help Muremi and help Police. The reason Muremi sekungathi manje uqala uba complacent is because uyazi ukuthi no matter what happens, I'm guaranteed starting 11 Orlando Pirates. Even if he can have the worst game, bayazi they can't afford to start the game without Muremi because akekho omunye umuntu ongamchallenger, omunye umuntu ongamuphi tough time. Orlando Pirates ayikwazi ukusayina. Orlando Pirates don't know how to sign players. Wonke lama player lawa bawasayinile wonke Mukobodi, Mtiani, Masilela banibani bonke bebangabadingi lama player. They bavele bachazwa nje transfer window babona iMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bakwazi ukugcwalisa isquad bane depth nabo babona ukuthi asidobheni sobona phambili. And then what's going to happen at the end of the season balonwa out lama player obaya releasewa, then nabo ke they are starting to adopt le philosophy eMamelodi Sundowns. Why the hell are you signing players if you have no intention of playing those players? Why are you signing players in positions la solid corner, players that you don't need? Bekayaphi nalo Zulu lo bamsayinile? Angithi ukhona uChabatsani. They also had uSesane babona kahle ukuthi aSesane wena hamba. Sifuna umuntu omusha ozodlala leyo position leyo. I agree with you. I agree with you. Kabelo Dlamini is very creative. He has to, maybe he's the most creative player they have right now. But asazi ukuthi ucoach Owadu inhlelo zakhe zithini ngoKabelo Dlamini. It seems ucoach Abdeslam Owadu akafuni ukuthi amdlalise uKabelo Dlamini. We don't know where Kabelo Dlamini is. All we heard ukuthi uKabelo Dlamini injured, ukuthi walimala nini kanjani kwenzakalani asazi. Sizwa nje kuthiwa injured uKabelo Dlamini. And all we see social media abantu baloke bamposter the longest serving player uhlele benchini. Longest serving player uhlele benchini. What are you serving benchini? Now another thing abafethu coach ake ku coach confused njengalo yabona Owadu no Hugo Bruce bacabanga ngokufana. This thing of taking European football and bringing it to South Africa ayisebenzi. Coach Owadu Orlando Pirates is chasing the game now. Iscore 1-1. The reason I'm chasing is because the reason I'm saying they are chasing is because Orlando Pirates are the defending champions. Angithi instead ukuthi add more numbers ku attack wakho substitute uNdaba ufaka uHotho. Bekamqalisela uNdaba kwasekuqalekeni, and this thing yokukhipha uNdaba ufaka uHotho angunderstand lapha Orlando Pirates ukuthi phuma kuphi. I honestly don't understand where is Ndaba going in the first place. uNdaba flat footed, he's always caught out of position. Kwesinye isikhathi makumele ukuthi across unokuvala ibhola sekafuna ukulikhatha alay back, and of course lapho ngeke umblame because maka crosser uyothola bani. So I don't understand lento le beyenzakala. Izolo I did a video, of course, and I apologize to Usihle Nduli. Ibhlungu lento emenzakalele ukuthi since agcina ukudlala last year ngoNovember, it's almost been a year lo mjidalo wangadlala ibhola. Makangena izolo maqeda lapho bayamkhahlela bayamphula uRev ukhiphe yellow card. Poor officiating continues in South Africa. Now this season kusho sokhala ngabo referee, kusho South Africa kahle kahle ayinabo abo referee. Loya ref the action yenzeka right in front of his eyes. Funny enough, kunala amaZulu bathola chance okora bekungasi offside, uRef ubizi offside. He got that wrong. Lebe kumele ukuthi ayithole right, uyithola wrong. Lebe kumele ukuthi ayithole wrong, uyithola right. Why angaphanga lo yamjida wamaZulu red card? There was a red card and lebe kumele suspension yakhe kube ye 2 to 3 games. Bafethu at professional level there's no way ngitshela ukuthi wena mawufaka ipressure, upressa ngama starts up, maqedwe yophula umntana abantu kabhlungu kanje. Now Sihle Nduli has to be out for I don't know how long. I'm sure sesoze simbone futhi second part of the season. Ayikho right, and we all know Orlando Pirates in ama central midfielders are 11. Njengoba Sihle Nduli alimele njenge ngimangala makabuye sebathi bamlonile uhambe ku Chipa United, and then before you know it ba poster lento abathanda ukuyiposter le thank you bese kuba nama line ready nezithombe zakhe eziningi bese iba grey la esiphakathini. Hey, is Pirates yona yazi, hey serious, we are so invested in the wrong things bese sebathi thank you for your services. Uyahamba uSihle Nduli. Coach Abdeslam Owadu doesn't understand Orlando Pirates, and he will never understand Orlando Pirates. I said last season he was lucky to win the league. His luck, it seems ilaki yakhe is running out. The reason ngisho so, last season bekashayi find that afake ama player angazi ukuthi uqala ngobani, angazi ukuthi ubencha bani, awawine ama game. Mara kule season le iTS Galaxy ne Kaizer Chiefs are not gonna do him le favor lebamenzele yona last season. Kule season it seems the Chiefs now self they want to compete for a league. iTS Galaxy themselves they want to be seen as Leo team Leo. Angeke badlalele ukuthi hayi express it towards the end of the season sifuna nje top 3 sifuna inini abantu bafuna ukuwin league. Coach Abdeslam Owadu, stop being a finder coach, have a starting 11. So in 2 seasons when awukakabi ne starting 11, this is his second season with Orlando Pirates. Namanje akakazi ukuthi starting 11 sakhe abobani. Namanje coach Owadu each time akuzi play elisha ku Orlando Pirates liyafakwa. Yazi phela mawusayina ku Orlando Pirates manje you don't even need to earn your place. Uthi nje uqeda ukusayina kusasa sebakufaka uyadlala. Uqeda nje kusayina uyafakwa kusasa uyadlala. Back in the days players had to earn their place. Nimzwile noSifisemene ela on said ukuthi back in the day when you were signed to Orlando Pirates bekumele uyilwele indawo. You can't just come to a big team and then you bench a player that had been playing the whole season, a player that was there swinny league, swinny calling knockout, swinny MTN 8, a player that was so important for us. Amanyama player the previous season badlale ne semi-final CAF Champions League nathi when uyafika nje esithubeni boom lelo player lelo selingene benchini sekufakwa wena as a new player. That time you're a new player with no experience that hasn't won anything nale team lo suka kuye, that hasn't competed for any important competition or trophy from le team le ephuma kuye. Most Ndlovu makubhora phuma bra mambiyobheka laba ba entertainer mina ngizanga la kuzonesimizwa yakhe. Pirates idlala inyongo ayikho into edlalwa Pirates. They will not defend the league. I'm not going to sit here and lie to people ngikhuluma into engingafuni. My bore content phuma mbiyobheka laba ba entertainer bakhona abo Michael Morton hamba uyobhekelela abantu abazothatha iskipa se Pirates baloke bathi here's the new Pirates t-shirt besathi boom into enifunayo ngithi leyo anginaso mina leso sikhathi. Orlando Pirates idlala inyongo. Coach Abdeslam Mowad is costing Orlando Pirates. Ayikho lento ayenzayo. Angeke ama player amasha safika wena ubench ama player kudala khona teamini maqedwe uzozidlalisela ama player amasha. Slebe finished the season with Pirates last season. He was there when Pirates lifted e-league. Why is he not getting game time? Sekufika bomukobore singazi ukuthi basuka kuphi, they getting game time ahead of Simphiwe Slepe kanjani. Slepe was there under Jose Rivero. He played with Orlando Pirates. He knows what it's like to fight for the league. He knows what it's like to win the league. He knows what it's like to travel with Africa. Uhambe ne Orlando Pirates. Let him play. Uhlalele ne benchini kudlala ama player amasha abangakaze badlalele Orlando Pirates. It doesn't make sense. You go all the way, you sign striker sase Europe into siyenza simbona ngene ground in a petitswayi. Makumele ukuthi adlala kadlala uhlele benchini, you keep playing yanela Mbuthuma. Ayikho lento leyo. So if nina nifuna abantu abazofika lana abakhulume lezi into lezo zokuthi boom 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 new Pirates t-shirt badlala inyongo bafaka iskipa esihle okwayibona le nto lesa skipa lesa besingabafanele nokubafanela futhi izolo. Ozwina Police, this is not the time for you to lose form mfana kithi. It's not the time for you to lose form. You are losing form at the wrong time. I understand kuna lento abantu abakhala ngayo ukuthi fatigue. I don't believe in that thing and I'll tell you why I say this. uTeboho Mokoena we Mamelodi Sundowns came from AFCON 2024, the bronze medal. Straight from AFCON, wayodlala Club World Cup. From Club World Cup, played the league, played MTN 8, played Nedbank Cup, played CAF Champions League, made it to the final. Wasuka lapho wahamba wadlala ama qualifier World Cup, wadlala ama qualifier AFCON. Went and played the AFCON, never bafana. Came back, fought for the league, ne Sundowns, baqeda number 2. Went and won the CAF, ne Mamelodi Sundowns. From there, went to the World Cup. Kana zoba injured manje. How many minutes? How many tournaments? How many games did he miss? How different is he from other players? Why is it uTebza yena kana fatigue abanye baba ne fatigue? Why is it uKhuliso Mudawa akabi ne fatigue abanye baba ne fatigue? Why is it abo Opri Mudiba babi ne fatigue abanye baba ne fatigue? I understand when a player is injured, sharp, ulimele, and it's not like Bafethi Polo is that demanding ukuthi lamachita lawa akhathala njalo. Abafani namachita asebenza ema construction. Namachita wela wamatshe lapha emamayini basebenza every day. Mara ngeke uze bathi akakhona ngemsebenzini because he's fatigued. Ukukhahlela nje ibhola 2 hours nyana ujima ekseni ntambama, you have the whole day to rest. Labafana laba bamosha lifestyle of the pitch ayikho enye into ebamoshayo. Aw ayikho lento le bamosha nje izinto bahola imali eningi lamajita bahambe bayodlala. Don't come and complain about fatigue now. If ubona ngathi playing for Orlando Pirates comes with too much pressure, leave Orlando Pirates, go play for teams abanga gambo dlalela ama team abangayazi pressure kuthini. We can't afford to not defend this league. Orlando Pirates must defend this league because this season akuna Orbit College ne ezo consider 2 goals at the end of the season. Akuna Orbit College kule season le. Akuna Magesi FC ekokuthi abantu bazozigibelela bazenzele ngayo. So Orlando Pirates will be tested this season. Every team when they play against Orlando Pirates, they want to prove themselves, they want to win. Bafuna ukuzibonakalisa ukuthi nathi we are that important. So all that needs to happen, Coach Owadu and his technical team need to come together bavule amehlo. Don't fix it if it's not broken. Team ekwinele calling knockout yakwinele Betway Premiership yakwinele MTN 8. Go back to those settings zaleyo team leyo. Play those players, allows those players ukuthi kube yibo futhi abazibonakalisayo abadlalayo benze izinto ezi right. But I just want to congratulate Chiefs. I want to congratulate them. Now we understand why Kaizer Chiefs fought so much for Langelihle Phili. And I'm happy Langelihle Phili is finally a Kaizer Chiefs player. Uzopumdu Shabalala nomfundo Vilakazi. Sleepless nights. Ababoniso ukuthi. This is what we mean, Man City. You can't go to a team and be promising for 2 seasons. Akakadlala even 4 games lomchitalo. Mar already sekazibonakalisile ukuthi ubani. One thing I can tell you about Langelihle Phili, just the 2 games ayidlalile ku Kaizer Chiefs, one coming off the bench and one ayiqalile. Sengiyabona mina ukuthi Langelihle Phili udlala big game. Ulangelihle phili mawubhekile yilo mjida lo uyambona ukuthi he takes on players, he makes the right runs, uyakwazi ukukhatha in, uyakwazi ukushoot, uyakwazi ukassist, uyakwazi ucreate uphelele. He's complete. I won't even be shocked if the new head coach of Bafana Bafana gives him a call up. Langelihle Pili, keep it up, Mfethu. It's going to be an interesting season for you. We can't wait to watch you. When it comes to individual performance, ama player, agna Chiefs, agna Pirates, agna Sundown, Tina Labe stand South African football will stand behind you and give you your flowers when we have to give you your flowers. Better outing by Tito last night. He wasn't bad. He really wasn't bad last night. Beka pasi bolo makmele kuta passe, beka creator makmele kuta create. Although there were moments where I felt like yena bekmele kuta a shooter, but he opted kuta passe. We tumelo radio panu ngenile second half as a substitute for Yanela Mbutuma as expected. Nayikinto ayenzile. Yes, I agree with you. Coach Owadu wants to prove a point. That's why he constantly plays Yanela Mbutuma. Unfortunately, le point azamu prove because Yanela Mbutuma prove tina right to good he's not Orlando Pirates material. And I'm starting to wonder whether Owadu himself is Orlando Pirates material. I said last season he didn't win the league. It was the players that won the league. Gule season le Owadu is proving me right. Akakwazi ukusubstitute, akakwazi ukuselecta a match day squad, akazi ukuthi mele adlalisa ama player nini makwenze njani na kanjani. He had no reason to select le squad lesasikhethile izolo. I still don't understand. Abantu abaningi bayajabula usibelebele when he's doing right everyone is happy. Must point out ama mistake wakhe ukuthi this guy is not a natural right back. That's why asloppy sometimes, that's why he's sometimes caught out of position. Izolo that penalty went and just proved us right ukuthi he's not a natural right back. Where's Dino van Rooyen? Coach, if you are not starting Dino van Rooyen, then let him be on the bench. Angeke bafethu uthathe lo mfana lona uKampani Lungu, who is an attacker. You start him as an attacker, and then you have an attacker defending. So you have two attackers playing on the right. Usibelebele nayo lo mjidalo uLungu. Mau keep a second half, uthatha uLungu, you drop him. You take an attacker again. Oyam defend isabese, you put in another attacker. If you are going to defend ngama attacker, then expect ama penalty, expect ama handball, expect abantu abashelela boxing, expect silly mistakes. If you are going to defend with a natural fullback, then you know ukuthi you can't commit amafala amaningi, because lo uya understand ukuthi when I'm chasing a player mele ngimvale so, mele ngimenze so, mele ngimpresse la, mele ngimcindezele la. So coach Owadu is very confused bafethu, and he confusion yakhe is just making matters worse for the Orlando Pirates. And I've seen how Magumshubelu coach Owadu ne uyakwazi ukupoint out certain players. Izolo makuphela igame makashaya le post game interview yakhe lapha ku SuperSport. And before I get into that, ngicela iSuperSport yeke ukusijwayela kabi tu. Sicela iSuperSport yeke ukusiphaphela. Le commentator yabo yeEnglish lento ukuthi yena uzoloka bhayiza ama player njalo, ibhola malibamba uDansini umbiza ngoNduli, ibhola malibamba uNduli ambiza ngosibelebele. We won't tolerate leyo nonsense leyo bafita akasuke lapha sifuna ama commentator ayazi into ayenzayo. If he can't commentate akahamba ucommentate rugby uzowabiza kahle amagama eAfrikaans le afane nabo Aaron. Then now, Coach Owadu, the way he is so confused and the way he's so biased sometimes. After a game, he called out Lomchitalo, Sipo Chain, and called out Nkosinathi Sibisi at credit to them, and then but they must wake up. Yeah, he doesn't have time. They must wake up, but he has time for playing Mbutuma. Why didn't you call out Mbutuma and say, my strikers must wake up? I've given Mbutuma enough time. He must come now to the party at deliver for a team. If he doesn't deliver, he must be on the bench. Why is it that Laba Basuga ku World Cup, he expects them ukuthi bona baphakamisa amasokisi, but Mbutuma ongayanga na ku World Cup bekahlela bekelele World Cup from home? Why is it that Mbutuma doesn't get the same pressure? Why is Mbutuma not getting the same pressure? Why is it that even though we can see Mbutuma doesn't deliver, he continues to play him? Coach, so be fair. If you are going to criticize certain players, criticize Wonkama player wako fairly. Criticize and say that Tito needs competition. If Tito doesn't get competition in that number 10, it's going to be a very long season. If Sipo Chain doesn't get competition, Lapo Mova, it's going to be a challenging season. Uba never feti competition yaga Nkosinathi Sibisi. Ubani competition yakasibelebele, because clearly it's not Dino van Rooyen. If Usibelekele is not playing, yovele kusuke uKampani Lungu osuka le kuSwelele FC. Bafethu, I'm not saying that he's not a bad player. Scored an important goal in MTN 8, but you can't tell me he'll be selected over Dino van Rooyen. It doesn't make sense. Like, it doesn't make sense. Every other player abasha baphiwa ama chance abo Mukobodi abo bani nabo bani, why angaphumpo Phadi chance? If you uti when I know I'm trying to be fair and I'm giving every player an opportunity, give Mpopadi a chance. Muphe Mpopadi a chance. Utito na akadropiwe from match day squad like amanye ama player. Yena uhlala khona ku match day squad. Umpho Chabatsani, when is he getting an opportunity? Umthathelele Mthiani, when is he getting an opportunity? Coach Owadu is confused. Coach Owadu is confused, and the confusion yakhe yamshaya makafika ku media ovela khulume lo mchita lo is under pressure bafethu. Owadu is under pressure, and lenta yenza makaya lapha ku media. He's looking for an exit. Ufuna ukuhamba Pirates. I wouldn't be shocked during the course of the season. Sizwe Orlando Pirates, it's coach Abdeslam Owadu has resigned with immediate effect. What. I wouldn't be shocked. Yamshaya le pressure. Ubonile ukuthi last season uwine kanjani. Lama tactics wakhe wa last season awamsebenzeli kule season uyabona ukuthi ne sekazofuna ukublame World Cup. What did Sipho Chain do wrong is all? Who concede penalty? What did Bodlela do wrong is all? As much as I'm not a Bodlela fan, but Bodlela had a better game is all. Yeah, sharp, there were mistakes lapo na lapo, but ama mistake bewaphuma kusiyama no Bodlela izolo bewakhoza undaba cause undaba uyahambe ephambili akhohle ukuthi uyi defender. When he has to come back sekaxakekile na uBodlela has to cover his space sakhe, then usiyama also have to come and cover his space saka Bodlela. By the time sekula abosibelebele bawisa abantu isuka kundaba lanto leya. Why is it that Coach Owadu can't talk about undaba and say that my second choice left back must also come to the party? I don't have time. If he was a fair coach, kula post game analysis, because Oshuguti, my players are suffering from fatigue. I really need them now to pull up their socks. I need my striker Yanela Mutuma to pull up his socks. I need my left back Undaba to pull up his socks, and I need a striker set to make sure ukuthi maungena oyakora. That's Radio Pane also. This Saturday is Funukbonu Pedersen. Are you kidding? This Saturday is Kalukbonu Pedersen. Sicela ukubona Peterson this Saturday. Angithi bamsayinele ukuthi bamdlalise. Sicela kule Saturday lokuthi badlalise ePeterson. Bafethu ngifuna ukuzwa kini ngivulile ama line manje ngizo accept ama request wenu asikhulumeni. But in closing, I just want to say ukuthi Mdusha Balala and Mfundo Vilakazi are feeling the pressure of the arrival of Lomfana Lo Olangelihle Phili. Olangelihle Phili is making it very difficult for bona ukuthi badlale because bajwayele ukuthi yibo ama face of the team, bajwayele ukuthi nanoma kwenzakalani yibo abagibela ibhola nani. Now when someone else is doing it, bayifeel leya pressure. Beka Phili ungabahemisi boy, fika ukore, fika ucreate wenzeni ungabahemisi so that bazokwazi ukudlala ibhola ngendlela emele ukuthi idlalwe ngayo.